In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to file taxes on TurboTax and military. So first, you need to access their website via turbotax.intuitive.com, and after that, you will see on under Let's Get You in TurboTax, which is you'll be entering your phone number, email, or user ID. After that, you will see this page, and you will see under the tax and online software products is a bunch of options, but just hover and click onto free military tax filling discount. Once you click on that, you will see under that is a bunch of options and you will click on the get started button. And then you will see three options, which is the TurboTax, the live assisted, and the full service. You just have to click the start for free button for you to be able to complete the application. And then, as you can see, you just have to click on the personal information, the wages and income, and many more. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.